Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can follow or you can create your own April dump trend by using the CapCut template. So the April dump is now trending on CapCut, and here I'm going to show you how you can search, how you can find and use the templates. So first you can just go to the templates button, and in here you can see at the search column there will be April dump, but you can see now the trending now is April dump on the second one here. So click on this April dump trending templates, and in here you'll find there are lots of templates that you can select to create your April dump video. So just select on one of the template and click on the use template. Here just select the materials from videos to photos. So here I already selected photos and also videos, and after that you can just click on next to see the preview. Now CapCut will loading the effects, just wait and the preview will show up. Okay, so this is the April dump video. If you're satisfied with the result, you can just click on export at the top and it will be saved to your gallery. Then you can just upload it to your social media platform like TikTok. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.